Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tom at RTC here. We got a new shop car. So we've been doing a ton of videos on the Maverick. It's been a while since we posted. That was getting kind of stale. We've introduced the 22, the Hellcat Red Eye wide body. So we went ahead and went to a police auction, bought a cop car. It's a 2019 Dodge Charger, police Interceptor, all-wheel drive. It's got the 5.7 HEMI. So here it is. We got this with about 89,000 miles. To the shop, we're gonna check out what's wrong with it, what does it need, what can we do. It's driving home, it's running on 4-corner winter tires. They're super choppy, so the steering felt pretty crazy. Wheels are chopped, so we're definitely gonna have to redo the brakes too. It's got that bad chatter in the wheels. So brakes, tires all around. We got little nicks and bruises. The spotlight works, which is pretty cool. Honestly, we'll probably just remove all this, get rid of it, weight savings. When we bought it, we got all-wheel drive. We got the 5.7 HEMI. We're gonna get this cleaned up. We're talking about, you know, a few early mods. We'll do a cold air intake out of the nitrous. We'll see. Trying to get crafty, mess around with it. These batteries are low. That's an easy fix. We drove it, I think it was like 90 miles from where we picked it up back to the shop. Keep battery low. There's a startup. Doesn't sound terrible. There is no check engine light, so here we have a blind spot alert off. It says service all-wheel drive system. We've pulled the codes for that. We think that it might be a front axle disconnect actuator, so we're going to look into that. We got to do an oil change. We're going to do an AMSOIL synthetic oil change on this. And so thanks for watching. Follow along. Been pretty clean. Put a center console in it. Did a nice detail on it. We got the WeatherTech floor mats. This light still works. Just kind of cool, but it's what you would expect. There's some bumps and bruises. Didn't come with the tint. We put tint on it. A lot of dings for a 90,000 mile cop car. Oh, that might be the preview of the future of it. We'll see. We got to compete with that up there. But yeah, all in all, we got this, picked it up from the auction, didn't need much. It had a check engine light on. I believe it was the service traction system. So we had to do a front axle, the actuator for the disconnect. That was bad. So we replaced that, cleared the code, and it's been good to go. But it's got the 5.7 HEMI, so we're going to do some cool comparisons. We're going to see how fast we can make it. Down the road, we're going to prep it, get the NOS on it. We're going to do some baseline testing at Lancaster at the 8th mile. We're going to put a cold air intake on it, see how that affects performance. We got our friend, his car reviews. He has the, I'm not sure what engine, he's got the Challenger Shaker Scat Pack. So we're going to run that. I think that's the 6.4 HEMI. We're going to run that against this car. Just do some cool stuff with it. Cap car. Cap shocks. Cap tires. Cap motor. So do a couple performance mods. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Got a lot more cool cars to introduce to the channel. We're gonna be doing a giveaway when we hit 5,000 subscribers. So stay tuned.